Okay. Juices, people. This time it's Justine, remember me, the host. Grace, the Quay. Judith, the new. Still Quay. And Lauren, the shy. But she finally showed up. Okay, yeah. So today we are going to talk about how big the biggest burp in the world could be. Stop moving wrappers everywhere. And okay, so I have to drink a lot of soda to burp, and I'm gonna show you, like I did in the last video, the one called Just Joking Around, but I haven't posted it yet. I'm gonna post it right before I post this one. Okay, so yeah, today I am going to show you how big my burp can be. Watch this. It's gonna be funny. So funny. When you burp, tell me. Not too big. Lauren, pick up all that. We just cleaned our rooms. Yeah. Okay, yeah, but my friend Judith.
You didn't burp yet, did you?
I already did. I can do it again.
Do it next.
Lauren!
My dad just showed up.
Okay, so Judith is back.
Oh, shut up!
And we are going to burp together. Ready, Judith?
No, I gotta drink a lot of soda.
Ready? That's not a burp. Okay, so Judith is trying to burp.
I'll probably burp in the next one.
But Judith will burp in my next video because she didn't get to burp in this one. Okay, so we're going to see if Judith and Lauren can burp without drinking soda. Okay, try to burp. Or you can drink out of my soda.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, I can't burp. I hate burping.
Okay, so yeah. So my friends in school think are going to be like...
If I didn't drink my soda, I could have burped.
So my friends in school, they think I'm lame. They're probably going to think I'm lame because I'm making all these YouTube videos. But whenever I go to Hollywood, I'm going to take all the people in my videos.
Yay!
Judith, Lauren, and Grace. Nope, I'm not bringing y'all.
No, Lauren, that wasn't you guys. I saw Lauren go with the plunger.
I know,
You can
Grace
even
is
play-
doing it too.
You can already play. You can play back the video.
Okay, okay, maybe. Okay, Lauren, Grace, stop it. Y'all aren't going to the Hollywood. Stop. Okay, so yeah, Grace is being really annoying, like always. I've done 3 videos with her in it, 2 videos with Lauren, and I think 1 video. This is Judith's first video. The first one, the second one I deleted. Well, the first one. Yeah, the first one you were in, I deleted.
I was in the third one because I talked.
What third one?
They didn't see me though. Remember the last video that you made? I talked, but they didn't see me.
No.
I'm definitely
Joking
gonna burp
around.
in the next video.
Okay, so yeah,
We should do
we're gonna leave. So in the next video, Judith can burp because we're making it right after.
You
So,
wanna
bye.
speed it up?
Poopy!